Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Quality Inn Miami Airport. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now, on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. Let's start at the door. No need for the emergency map because this door leads you straight outside. To my left, you have your desk or working station. A nice office chair. Decent sized table. Decent sized mirror. Peace. You have a lamp, coffee maker with some coffee grinds, decaf, and caffeinated. Now to the left side of the table, you have a TV, ice bucket, microwave, and fridge. Decent size. Ample space, drawers. Okay. Your closet with no doors or door, but you have a ironing board and an iron. Some hangers here. Full-size mirror. Peace. And another size mirror. Peace. Hair dryer. Conditioner. 2 conditioners. Shampoos. And some soap. This is the bathroom. Wooden floors, by the way. Your average bathtub with shower. Okay. Now, your bed. This is a king-size bed with 3 pillows. Wooden headboard. Nice and fluffy. On the other side. And your popcorn ceilings. Okay, you have a smoke detector and your sprinkler. Wooden floors. It looks like they haven't swept the floors because it feels dusty and sticky. So yeah, there you have it. Quality Inn, Miami Airport. Okay, all right. First and foremost, my first impression, it has a motel vibe to it. It's decent in a quiet neighborhood. Well, it's quiet because it's 12:05. Everyone probably sleeping. In terms about the room is a small sized room. Some parts are outdated. The bathroom, for once, you know how I feel about bathtub shower. That's a no-no for me. Like the standalone shower, it's just outdated in my opinion. The closet, it's outdated. The pole where you hang your hangers, there's rust buildup on it, and I think it needs to be replaced. But I'm not the management of this hotel room. I'm just putting it out there. But thus far, it's clean. The bed seems to be clean with fresh bed sheets and also fresh towels. The floor feels a bit dusty, but it's doable. It's doable. Now, I only have one gripe when it comes to this hotel room or this hotel company, and that is the complimentary bus shuttle. Now, I was informed that the bus shuttle comes every hour. To me, that's a little bit too much. Here's why. Other hotel companies, they offer free complimentary bus shuttle every 15 minutes and sometimes every 30 minutes. Now, granted, some hotels are busier than the other, but it's Saturday. Majority of the hotels are busy. I was dropped off at a different hotel because this particular bus shuttle, they drop you off at two different locations. One is, of course, here is the Quality Inn and also the Wingate, something like that. When I got dropped in Wingate Hotel, I'm thinking that was the Quality Inn because I showed the bus shuttle driver my receipt that says Quality Inn. So he just let me off the bus shuttle and I'm thinking that was it. So when I arrived at the hotel, at the other hotel, the front desk said they don't have my reservation. He asked me what hotel did I book. I said, "Is this Quality Inn?" He says, "No, that this is something else, Wingate, something like that." And the gentleman took an hour and a half to come and pick me up and drop me off at the Quality Inn, which was only about 5 minute drive apart. That's just my issue that happened. I mean, it ain't a big deal. I don't stress things like that, but just imagine someone needs to be in the airport at a certain time. So if that person miss that hourly bus shuttle, it's either they gonna have to call for Uber or a cab, which is not a big deal. But I'm just saying, I think a bus shuttle every hour, it's not reasonable. But that's just me. So overall, I like the hotel. specifically the staff. There were 3 that I met, 2 women and 1 male. They greeted me well, they were courteous, and they were professional. Yeah, I appreciated that. So, yeah, overall, I like the hotel. So, yeah. Hello, world, and good morning. Live from Miami. It is now 9:09 a.m. So I just want to discuss about the complimentary breakfast. They serve scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, quesadilla with ham and cheese, toast, bagels, oatmeal. I love the oatmeal. And orange juice and also coffee. They also have various cereals and yogurt. So, how was it? It was good. It was good. The scrambled eggs, I don't think it was a naturally scrambled eggs, if you know what I mean. I think it was one of those instant scrambled eggs. Um, but nevertheless, it was good. I can't complain. My belly is full and I'm ready to conquer the day. So I'm going to go back to Miami International Airport and see if I can get on this flight going to El Salvador. I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Hey, it's been a long time since you checked out my clothing brand's website. That's www.dosos.clothing. Check these out, man. Hello World crew neck. I still have a few left, and you know I won't ever make any more because I only made a few. So check it out. You might like something. You might buy something. That's www.dosos.clothing. Now, if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.